Okay, this is Tom Psillas from whatcrow.com. I'm CEO. Here's the next topic I like. This one I like too. You spoke, I listened. So I'm back with 3 things you should know about handyman success, or take even cleaning or gutter service. It doesn't matter. Any of these is going to be the same kind of thing. You're all doing the same thing, providing home services. Okay, so I listened. I talked to a lot of people. One of the things that I was told by a lot of if only you could provide business, I'd buy from you. I said, well, I can do that. And what I've done is wetcrow.com actually does that. We take the most common services like installing a toilet, installing a faucet. Those are no brainers basically to you and to the handyman or to the plumber, electrician, installing a light switch. Okay, those are simple, defined tasks. We know what they are. We know how much we should probably pay. You could look it up anywhere and you'll find the prices are pretty similar. So what we do, we predefine the service, we describe what we do, and then we show appointments. Say you're a handyman or a plumber or electrician, okay? I'm customer's looking for a light switch installed from an electrician. I'm looking for a toilet installed. Okay, I see the item, I see the price. Now I look down and I see the appointments available. Now, I'm a busy person, so maybe I'm only available on Saturday. So I pick Saturday at 2 p.m., whatever's available. Or I pick tonight at 7 o'clock. I pick maybe 8:30 in the morning. Maybe I don't get up early. So whatever it is, you choose the appointment. Now you pay for it. Boom, done. You get a receipt. It's confirmed. Usually the service provider will call you that he's on his way, or he'll call you to confirm the appointment. That's about it. To make sure there's no funny location, it's hard to find your street, whatever the case may be. That's pretty much it. So, this is what we do. Now, the other thing, too, I want to mention is that's one thing. The next thing I would say, don't buy leads. For crying out loud, you're getting ripped off. It's almost like Service Magic used to be known as the scam outfit. Everybody hated them because they were screwing everybody, and they're still doing it. Now they're called Home Advisor. They have Angie List, bought them out. It's all the same company. Okay, they have like a Craft Jack is part of them now. They buy out all the small companies because the guy's not making enough money, so he's happy to bail out. They buy them out and they sell leads, and they sell the leads. They share them across all their platform. So by the time you get the lead, it's already old. Okay, I've seen leads that come in from them, and it's a week old. Okay, what good is a lead when it's a week old? I've already bought somewhere else if I'm a customer. So that's one thing I say: don't buy leads. You're wasting your money. The second thing I would say is don't post on Facebook groups or on Craigslist. Now you look like a scammer right away. People think you're desperate because they know that nobody goes to Facebook groups anyway, except people like me that I'm looking for handymen like yourself. Maybe you're okay. I check out your reputation. I don't put you on my platform without checking you out. So it's going to be guys like me looking for, to recruit handymen. The next thing is Craigslist. Right away, I assume you're a scammer. I don't even talk to you. I don't even bother with you because I'm assuming that you lost your license. You're a scammer. You have no license. Why are you going to Craigslist? And then you're spamming 10 times a day. You're paying that much money. If you're spending your day posting on Craigslist, you're not making any money. Why are you doing that? So those are the 3 things that I wanted to mention. Craigslist has a better reputation. I mean, I've seen too many people get scammed as customers there. You don't want to be there because right away you're thought of as a scammer. So, those are the 3 things. I think I've covered them all. Like I said, you spoke, I listened. I'm coming back at you with the 3 things that I think will help you a lot. And worst cases, you pay for Facebook ads, or you put hangers on the homes and within your area. You do stuff like that. That'll make you a lot more money. If you get a customer, buy them and spend $1,000 with you, buy them a freaking pizza for $20 for crying out loud. You know what? You're going to get more customers from word of mouth than ever. That's your best source of customers. Okay, you put out 300 flyers or door hangers, whatever, on 300 homes in your area, you're going to get quite a few people coming to you. You're going to get maybe 10 are going to come to you. You're going to do the work. Now the whole neighborhood's going to find out about you. Okay, so that's my solution for you, and that's why I wanted to put that in front of you so you can learn how to make money. Okay, thanks. Have a good day.